Welcome to the official YouTube channel of the Ponte Realty, and I'm your host David Popadidi. If you're new on this channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that when we drop quality premium videos, you will get notified. So today we're going to be talking about why you need to invest in Nigeria real estate. Okay, why did we come about this series? This series came about because in my 6 years in the Nigerian real estate industry, a lot of clients have asked me various questions, ranging from can I invest in the Nigerian real estate? How can I invest in Nigerian real estate? Is the Nigerian real estate profitable? Are there opportunities in the Nigerian real estate? So because of that, we put up this series, why you need to invest in Nigerian real estate, and this is the second video. The first video we talked about investing in Nigerian real estate helps protect your cash, okay? Brings about cash protection. But today we'll be looking at cash flow. Investing in Nigerian real estate brings cash flow. So talking about cash flow in the Nigerian real estate industry, you have to take note of two pillars. The first pillar is income and second pillar is expenditure. Cash flow can be defined as the profit you get monthly or yearly after you have collected all income and made all expenditures. Okay, I take it again. Cash flow can be defined as the profit you make monthly or yearly after you have collected all income and made all expenditure. Okay, if you are in the real estate industry, either as buying to sell, buying to develop, buying to renovate, buying to rent, cash flow is a lever for profit. Cash flow is a lever for profit. Why do I say so? Let me tell you the three benefits of cash flow. The three benefits of cash flow in the real estate industry. Number one, cash flow creates opportunities. Cash flow creates opportunity. What do I mean by that? With good cash flow, you can invest in other real estate projects and make more money. So it brings about what? Opportunities. With good cash flow, you have opportunities for more investment. Number two, cash flow creates safety. Cash flow creates safety. What do I mean? With good cash flow, you can save up good money for either future projects or future investments. Then thirdly, cash flow brings or creates freedom. What do I mean by that? With good cash flow, it can fund your lifestyle. It can fund your lifestyle either personally or corporately. And real estate provides this cash flow. Why you need to invest in Nigerian real estate is because it provides good cash flow. Okay, there is a simple formula for cash flow. We can say cash flow is equals to gross income generated minus expenditure. Gross income generated minus expenditure. So we'll take an example. Okay, I buy a property, I renovate the property, that is my expenditure. Then my income is the money I get after selling or renting off that property. When I do the math, whatever it is that I gain afterwards is called my cash flow, either monthly or yearly. So that is it about cash flow, and it is one of the reasons why you need to invest in the Nigerian real estate. So if you've gotten a lot of value from this video, please do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. The series is going to continue. The third video will be out next week on another reason why you need to invest in the Nigerian real estate industry. So until I see you again, take care and God bless.